final pack up.
My name's Will, and the hunt's been great. I've been sweeping the back, party pace with all the Sydney boys, and pushing hard every day and laughing very hard in between. It's been great.
Anyone got something to say for the last day of the hunt?
Thanks for having us, Dan.
Yeah.
Thanks very much.
What surprises have we got today?
Who knows what the last 10Ks will hold for us.
See you guys. Might look better. Oh. Ew! Through the bog. See you later, Mr. Brew. Oh, it's the whole family. Day 12, we are heading into Canberra. 78 k's to go, and nice overcast morning this morning, which is great. Heaps of wildlife out today too. Hello kangaroos, hello! Oh, the track stand is working. We have made it to the bitumen. We're on the last climb by the looks of it before we descend into Canberra. Cracking morning. What a ride, Dan, thanks for putting it on. So many great memories. Climbing Mount Baw, sleeping in a swamp in Whyalla, just riding with the crew. Great night at the hut last night. If you've been watching these videos, really appreciate your support. If you like them, please hit the like button down below. Hit the subscribe button. If you're thinking about the hunt, get training, get out there, get your kit light, leave yourself plenty of time, and enjoy what is a great route through some of Victoria and New South Wales' most beautiful countryside. Country towns, country pubs, whatever else there is out there, it's all bloody awesome. Phew! I'd be coming back to do this again. I don't know if I'll do it next year, but I would 100% do it again without a blink of an eye. Get out there, get riding.
It's Chris. I've been doing the 500. Started in Hotham about 4 days ago, I think. Having an absolute ball. Met some awesome people and some beautiful riding. So, cheers.
Just Thawa, well, like 40 k's out.
How's it been going?
It's good. My free hub is barely holding on, but I reckon it'll get to Canberra fixed probably. But yeah, it's been a good ride.
Yeah.
Good weather, no snow. Had snow coming in, but yeah, it's been honestly slightly too easy. I was expecting really hard.
What did you do, the 500 or the
We did the 1000. I was expecting
okay.
like walking the bike the whole time, but
I think we got lucky with that.
I think we got lucky, and the weather was like pretty perfect.
Yeah, we almost felt like we cheated it a bit, but then on top of the snowies, it did start raining. We had to set like a mini shelter up quickly, and but that was after like 2,000 meters climbing on a road.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, everything else has been great. You know, obviously everyone's had their ups and downs and problems with bikes. I've snapped a couple of spokes and snapped the saddle. Hey, I snapped my saddle on the first day.
There's all a bit of that, isn't it?
Yeah,
Part of the
that's
fun.
what it's all about. I mean, I think a lot of people this year might not finish it just due to mechanical issues as opposed to like body issues, like physical issues, which is a bit disappointing. Like put all that training in and stuff and have to quit because your bike gave out more so than your body. But hey, that's because it's tough as.
Yeah, pretty brutal.
Yeah. Like all the train.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think it's the weather that that knocks people out. It's the terrain that knocks bikes out.
Any words for the end of the last 20 k's?
Oh, I'm sure there's going to be some surprises from Dan. Maybe some rough trails, but looking forward to it. Finish it off. Thanks, Dan. Awesome
Nice
ride.
route, Dan. You couldn't have planned it better.
Billy Goat. So much fun.
Maybe take that out next time. I love that. It's my favourite bit.
One more for the camera, GoPro effect. Woo! Animal.
What a way to into town.
Oh, great way to come into town. Feel like you're still in the country. Dropping.
Oh yeah, the final sprint.
Yeah, nailed it. Yeah. That was a piece of piss.
Is it?
This is it, dude. You've done it. You've done it.
Made a photo of this for...
Yeah. Give us a fist pump.
Awesome, mate.
Fucking pleasure riding with you guys.
Riding with you guys.
Yes,
Absolutely killed it. So good.
Oh yeah.
You.
Good work, everyone. Good work, guys. Good work, Jim. Good work.
Thanks for riding us in, mate. How you feeling, Tim?
Yeah, good. Yep, ready for another lap.
Let's do another one, eh? Should we ride back home? That was a bloody awesome trip. Yeah. Thanks for putting that together. Great. Congrats. Good morning, people. Today is the morning after. Just sitting here in Canberra and pulling bits off the bike, getting ready to chuck it all in a rental car and drive back to Melbourne with Tim, which will be a nice journey as well, I'm sure. The uphills will be a little less hard work, I'm guessing. Overall, loved every moment of it. It was, you know, pretty tough parts of it. Going up Berriga at 6 o'clock at night might not have been the smartest move, but we got there in the end and it kind of pushed us ahead, which meant the rest of our hunt was really quite relaxed and pretty good. We were ahead of schedule, so we could afford to just chill out basically for the last 3 days, which, you know, I'm feeling quite refreshed today. I could ride my bike again today, so that's a good thing. Just the people on the trail that I met, it just was, you know, awesome to meet all of you and ride with you and camp with you. If you'd like to put a comment on the video and ask me any questions about the hunt, I'm more than happy to answer them. If you're thinking about doing the hunt, I suggest putting it in the calendar and just start planning for it, because it's a great ride. Just the camaraderie along that ride it's just so great, you know, and the scenery just blows you away, honestly. You know, yeah, there's hills, yeah, it's hard. You know what, you can do it. Talking to some of the people who did it a lot harder than Tim and I did it, you know, riding into the night, sleeping on the side of the road for 2 hours and just keep on going, or pushing their bike into the night. Even CK, who eventually arrived in Canberra last night at about 11 o'clock. Just the determination, it's really inspiring to be around people like that and hear their stories and just be part of the journey with them. Even the people who, you know, finished early and fast, and it's like, that's super impressive and everything, but I just loved all the camping and hanging out with people and, you know, in the beautiful wilderness of the Australian high country. Will I be doing the hunt next year again? Who knows? Would I do it again? 100% I would do it again. A huge thank you to Dan Hunt, all the hard work you put in to put this route together, the grand finish plan, like, yeah, huge thank you to you. And just your hospitality at the halfway point at the retreat. I didn't really feel much there, but yeah, that was an amazing night. And just to sit around a table with everybody and have a shared meal like that in the middle of a journey like this was a really special thing for me personally. Yeah, thanks for your support watching these videos. It really means a lot to me. I really enjoyed making them, and I hope you enjoyed watching them. And that's all from me.